Happy Tech Tuesday, I'm Melanie Moron with Innovate, and today I'm joined by Yeongseon from the University of Florida Chemical Engineering Department. Yeongseon, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me here. I'm very happy to share my work.
So tell us, what do you do at the University of Florida?
So I'm an assistant professor in the Chemical Engineering Department here. I do major the research and teaching.
And what is the current research you guys are working on right now?
So our lab is developing a new biomaterials, mainly using polymers and proteins. Like I got lots of inspiration from the natures, and we try to create some new material that mimics some interesting nature like functions and nanostructures.
And tell me a little bit more about your research impacting the medical field.
So for example, we are creating some surface development on the biomedical implant surfaces, like the nasal implant or catheter implant can be made from this kind of flexible polymer surfaces. By making that surfaces to have some antibacterial properties without use of the antibiotics, that we can kill some pathogenic bacteria on it.
And how is the University of Florida and your students helping your research?
So University of Florida has a lot of great facilities and resources for my laboratory to allow lots of the interesting problems like solving process and designing the new materials. For example, we have great resources of the microscopy centers or biomedical centers. So I can do lots of useful collaborations in the medical department or some emerging pathogen institute here. So we have lots of opportunity to do collaboration and characterize my materials for further research development.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today. And that's it for today's Tech Tuesday episode. We'll catch you next week.